Imagine this. You wake up to the sound of gentle rain tapping on your rooftop. Not in some apartment, not in a hotel, but inside your own luxury home on wheels. You slide open the blinds, and right outside your window is a misty pine forest. Fresh air, freedom, peace. Now picture driving away, with everything you need packed neatly behind you. A kitchen, a cozy bed, and a living room that feels like home. That's exactly what the Solifer Action T742 promises. A motorhome designed not just for weekend trips, but for full-time living. But is it really the perfect all-rounder? Let's find out. From the outside, the Solifer Action T742 already looks premium. Its sleek Nordic design stands out. Clean lines, smooth edges, and that subtle metallic finish that gives it a touch of class. Built on the Fiat Ducato chassis, this motorhome blends reliability with style. The proportions are perfectly balanced. Not too bulky, not too compact. You get that solid, confident road presence while still being easy to maneuver on tight European roads or mountain passes. Up front, the LED daytime running lights and wide grille add a modern touch, while the aerodynamic roofline improves fuel efficiency, a small detail that matters when you're covering long distances. Storage access doors along the sides reveal large compartments, ideal for outdoor gear, folding chairs, or even a small e-bike. This is the kind of exterior that makes people turn their heads at the campsite and wonder, who's living in that beauty? Step inside and everything changes. The first thing you notice is the warmth. Solifer has mastered that Scandinavian interior vibe. Light wood finishes, soft LED ambient lighting, and a sense of calm minimalism. The layout feels open and airy, thanks to the panoramic skylight right above the lounge. Natural light floods in during the day, and at night, it turns into your personal window to the stars. The front lounge area is designed for both comfort and practicality. The swiveling captain's chairs merge seamlessly with the L-shaped sofa and dining table, perfect for a relaxed breakfast or even working remotely on your laptop. Move toward the center and you'll find the kitchen, compact yet surprisingly functional. You get a 3-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, a large refrigerator, and plenty of overhead storage. Every drawer closes softly, every corner feels intentional. And then the highlight, the rear sleeping area. The Solifer Action T742 offers a pair of twin beds that can easily convert into one large double. It's designed for long stays, with storage underneath and a high-quality mattress that actually feels like something from a proper bedroom. Above the bed, soft reading lights and a skylight make it ideal for winding down with a book after a long day on the road. The bathroom, compact yet cleverly laid out. You get a separate shower cabin, proper sink, and a Thetford toilet, all surrounded by moisture-resistant walls that still look premium. Everything about this interior whispers comfort. Not flashy, not overdone, just right. What really makes the Solifer Action T742 stand out is how livable it feels for long-term use. You have excellent insulation, perfect for both summer and winter travel. The heating system keeps the cabin cozy even in freezing temperatures, while the built-in air conditioning makes sure you stay cool in the warmer months. There's a smart energy setup too. Solar panels on the roof for off-grid power, a large freshwater tank, and a reliable Truma Combi heating system that handles both water and air efficiently. The build quality is solid. No rattles, no cheap plastics. Everything feels sturdy enough to handle life on the road, year after year. If you're someone dreaming of a minimalist life with maximum freedom, this motorhome checks almost every box. Now, you might be wondering, how does the Solifer Action T742 stack up against other luxury models in its class? Compared to something like the Bürstner Lisio TD Harmony line or the Adria Matrix Supreme, the Solifer feels more personal. It doesn't try too hard to impress you with chrome and tech gimmicks. Instead, it focuses on what matters most for full-time living: smart space, genuine comfort, and that feeling of home. The twin-bed layout is especially popular among long-term travelers because it offers flexibility. You can use one as a day bed, the other for sleeping, or join them into one big double. And unlike many motorhomes where you feel like you're living inside a vehicle, the T742 somehow makes you feel like you're living in a home, one that just happens to move with you wherever you want. That's something few brands truly achieve. Now close your eyes for a second and imagine this. You park by a quiet lakeside in Finland. The sun is setting, painting the water gold. You step outside, make a cup of coffee, and sit under the awning while the evening air cools your face. Inside, the gentle glow of the Solifer's ambient lights makes it feel like you never left home. You don't have to pack, unpack, or check out of anywhere because this is your space, your sanctuary. That's the real beauty of the Solifer Action T742. It's not just about the specs, it's about the life it lets you live. Freedom, comfort, and peace, all rolled into one. So what do you think? Would you live full-time in the Solifer Action T742? Or do you prefer something a bit smaller, like a compact van conversion for weekend getaways? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really curious to hear what kind of motorhome fits your dream lifestyle. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel and keeps us bringing you more amazing motorhome showcases every week. Make sure you're subscribed, because next, we're checking out another Scandinavian beauty that might just redefine what luxury means in van life. Until then, travel safe, stay curious, and keep chasing those open roads. This is Rome Rated, and I'll see you in the next one.